What should I do if she is playing games or intentionally doing to me what I am doing to her unintentionally? For example, I might delay responding because I am busy, but she also delays responding, and it is very obvious that she is doing it intentionally. Is this a red flag? Is this a red flag or a test? To answer your question directly, it depends on the intent behind the behavior. If she is mirroring your delay, delaying her response because you delayed yours, she is likely performing a test, which is not necessarily a red flag, but a way to check your emotional stability. If she is mirroring your lack of availability, she's checking to see if your busyness or distance is a genuine trait, or if it is just a tactic to get her attention. If you respond to her delay by chasing even harder, you reveal that you are not in control of your own emotions. It becomes a red flag if this behavior transitions from a temporary test into a hard red light phase. If she isn't just mirroring your delay, but is consistently showing emotional coldness, cancelling plans, or actively pulling away, then it is a sign of a lack of investment or a need for genuine space. Step-by-step guide to handling mirroring or games. First, identify if it is a test or a withdrawal. Observe her overall energy. If she is otherwise warm, laughing, and engaged, then her delay is a test. She wants to see if you will stay calm and relaxed, or if you will become anxious and chase. Second, maintain your frame. If you delay a response because you are busy, and she also delays hers, do not immediately rush to close the gap. If you immediately jump to reply even faster when she is being slow, you signal that you are reacting to her instead of maintaining your own way of being. Third, respond with calm dignity. When she finally does reach out or responds, do so warmly but without excessive effort. Do not act like her delay bothered you. Your goal is to communicate that you are comfortable even when you aren't talking. Fourth, monitor the investment. If she mirrors your distance, wait a little longer to see if she puts in genuine effort. If she only sends low investment or test messages after a delay, do not restart a deep conversation immediately. Stay calm and brief. The biggest mistake, the most common error people make in this situation, is chasing during a test. When you notice she is being distant or mirroring your delay, your instinct is to increase your effort, such as sending more messages or being more available, to fix the silence. This actually reduces attraction because it shows that you are reacting to her instead of maintaining your own presence. My best personal advice, do not fear the silence. Silence and distance are tools used to create curiosity. If you try to kill the silence too early, you kill the curiosity she feels about you. A simple rule to remember: never chase a delay with even more delay. If she pulls back, let her pull back. Let her feel the contrast of your absence. The key truth: attention should be a gift, not a pursuit. You want to give your attention because you want to, not because you are trying to win it back. The golden rule: always maintain your own way of being. If you are busy, actually be busy. Do not just pretend to be busy or act busy enough so that she notices. If you stay true to your own rhythm, any game she plays will eventually reveal her true level of investment.